It's time to open up the Pandora's Box 6. Hey, welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector and welcome back to a new video. And today's video we are going to take a close look at the Pandora Box 6 again. The 6S to be correct. But we're going to take a close look inside the box because I'm really curious how does it look inside. So stay tuned and let's find out. Alright, how do we open it? It's very simple. You flip these two up for unlocking the top cover. But yeah, you can use a little lock in it if you want. And you can, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a little screw at the bottom. Alright. Let the magic box open. And this is what we are going to find inside of the Pandora box. Yeah, it got some extra cables because of the light up feature. I see they did a little bit of soldering here for connecting the LEDs of the stick itself to the main power supply for all the light up feature in this stick. If you look at the soldering, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's a really decent soldering, not that China horrible soldering that you sometimes see. And yeah, it's a really job well done. Alright, the speaker. That is a speaker I have seen many times before. And it's just the basic speaker they are using in every Pandora box. They do use some spacers and that is really neat because you don't have the vibration of the speaker anymore. So that is a really big plus side. And this part makes it really funny and very unique. They just stick in the power supply inside the case. Why did they make this choice? I have really no clue. It's just a basic 12 volt 3 amp power supply they are always using. But maybe they did the decision because it's more way easier to carry it and you can just stick in the power cable. I don't find it very annoying to have an extra power adapter. And it's just a basic 12 volt, so you can, if it gets broken, you can just replace it with a new one for a few euro. But in this case, it's going to be a pain in the butt because it's glued, stuck, it's really tight in this box, so no clue how to get it out. What I do really love to mention is that there is still a connector on the main board for your power, so I think if you don't use this power supply that's inside, you can also use an external power supply. So that is really nice. And let's talk about the main board, the heart of the Pandora. Here's where all the magic happens. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this thing is running on the Allwender A13. This is a Cortex A8 1 GHz CPU. Well, it's a common CPU. I've read online they are using it for many pieces of hardware. So what you can see here at the right bottom, here is a CF card. They glued it so you cannot pull it out. So then is the question, can you add more games? Yeah, you can add it on the CF card, but then is the question, does the system recognize new games? But that is a story for a new video. I want to thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome and wicked videos. And see you next time. Bye bye. Hi fellow YouTubers. I want to thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.